What if I told you your car could instantly become smarter, safer, and way more convenient without spending a lot of money? Today, we're checking out 15 amazing car gadgets on Amazon that most drivers don't even know exist, but once you see them, you'll never look at your car the same way again. All product links are below if you want to check them out for yourself. Let's get started. Number 1. Jump starter with air compressor. Imagine your car battery dying in the middle of nowhere and you fixing it within seconds. This 6000A jump starter can revive almost any engine, including big gas engines and 10L diesels. It also includes a 180 PSI tire inflator, so you're never stuck with a flat again. A bright LED light and digital display help during nighttime emergencies. With a 26,800 milliamp hours battery pack, it also charges your phone and devices. Number 2. Utopicar blind spot mirrors. Changing lanes becomes a lot safer when you can actually see everything beside you. These convex mirrors give a wider, clearer view that most factory mirrors don't provide. You can adjust them up or down to match your driving angle perfectly. They blend in well and don't look bulky on your car. A small upgrade that makes a surprisingly big difference. Number 3. This backup camera installs in about 2 minutes and requires no drilling or wiring. The solar power design keeps the system charged without needing constant attention. Its 1080p monitor is bright, smooth, and reliable even in rain or low light. You can also add a second camera and view both angles at once. It's one of the easiest ways to modernize an older car. Number 4. Tire pressure monitoring system. Most drivers never notice tire pressure changes until it's too late. This system displays real-time pressure and temperature for all 4 tires. It includes 6 different safety alerts, so you can catch issues early. The colorful display is easy to read whether it's day or night. A great upgrade for long trips, RVs, and everyday driving. Number 5. Colored GPS HUD Digital Speedometer. This display projects your speed onto the windshield, so you can watch the road without looking down. You can switch between 7 colors and choose either MPH or KM/H. It works right out of the box. Simply plug it in. It feels like a modern digital car upgrade without the high cost. Great for older cars that don't have built-in digital dashboards. Number 6. 2-in, 1-window breaker and seatbelt cutter. This compact tool can save your life if your seatbelt jams or your windows won't open. It cuts through seatbelts cleanly and shatters car glass effortlessly. It even works underwater, which can matter in a serious emergency. There's also a built-in flashlight for dark situations, small enough to clip onto your keys or glove compartment. Number 7. STANDTALL electric 3-ton car jack. This electric jack lifts your car automatically with just one button. It's incredibly useful during roadside emergencies, especially at night. The kit includes everything you need for quick tire changes. It works for sedans and SUVs, making it versatile for most drivers. A huge upgrade from old manual jacks that require physical effort. Number 8. FVP Car Electric Travel Kettle. Now you can make hot coffee, tea, or soup right inside your car. This travel kettle works with both 12V and 24V power outlets. You can select the temperature and heat water quickly. Its stainless steel build keeps the water clean and safe. Perfect for commuters, travelers, or long-distance drivers. Number 9. Beck-Regan Premium Wiper Blades. These wiper blades are built to handle tough rain, snow, and dirt without streaking. They're engineered to match Ford, Chevy, and GMC trucks with OEM-level quality. The smooth, quiet design lasts longer than most regular blades. Installation is simple and takes only a few minutes. A visibility upgrade that makes a big difference in bad weather. Number 10. AUTO Foldable Trunk Organizer with Cooler. If your trunk always ends up messy, this organizer fixes that instantly. It has 3 compartments for tools, groceries, and everyday items. The built-in cooler is great for road trips and long drives. It folds flat when not in use, so it doesn't take up space. Made from durable materials that won't collapse or sag. Number 11. Upgraded car center console armrest cover. If your armrest is scratched, worn, or uncomfortable, this is an easy upgrade. The microfiber leather adds softness and protects the original surface. 2 small side pockets help store cards, pins, or small items. It fits most vehicles and installs without any tools. Makes long drives feel more comfortable instantly. Number 12. Baseus 163W Retractable Car Charger. This charger keeps your car free from tangled cables. It includes retractable USB-C cords built right into the unit. With 163W of power, it charges phones, tablets, and more extremely fast. Compatible with iPhone, Samsung, and most modern devices. Great for keeping the interior clean and organized. Number 13. Smart Car Air Freshener with Starry Projection. This device freshens your car automatically throughout the day. It also projects a soft, starry pattern, giving the interior a modern look. You can choose between multiple spray modes and intensity levels. It runs on a rechargeable battery, so there are no wires. Makes your car smell great and look stylish at the same time. Number 14. Car seat back purse hooks. These hooks stop your bags from falling onto the floor when you brake. They attach to the headrest and keep your purse, groceries, or backpacks in place. They're strong enough to hold heavier items without bending. They blend in with the car interior and don't look bulky. Perfect for keeping the front seat clutter-free. Number 15. This cup holder mount charges your phone while keeping it at eye level. It includes a QC 3.0 adapter, so you get fast charging right away. Works with almost every phone model, including bigger devices. The adjustable grip keeps your phone secure even on bumpy roads. Great for navigation, hands-free calls, and everyday driving. And that's our list of 15 car gadgets you never knew you needed. Check the links below if you want to learn more about any of these products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.